Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about the part of the bar mill, which is the shell of the bar mill. So one thing features about our bar mills is we do the heat treatment of the bar mills by hole. That we have a 6.5 meters times 6.5 meters times 20 meters annealing furnace. That we are able to put the whole bar mills inside the heat annealing furnace to do the heat treatment of the bar mill by hole. And then the good thing about it is that we can release the residual stress inside of the weldings. And then for other suppliers, they might not have this step, or they do the partial heat treatment. So and then you can see the holes on the shells, and these are for installing the liners later on. So you have the liners inside the bar mill, and they are connected to the shell by bolt and nuts. So and then another thing features about the bar mill, this one is a central drive one, and you can see the two sliding bearings on each side, and then those will be supported by the turning bush. So in our next video, I will also introduce about our turning bush.